Hello, everyone. My name is Coretta Smith with Montague-Smith Realty. As I search on eventbrite.com, meetup.com, and other platforms, I have seen that there are many home buying webinars being hosted by realtors and real estate agents explaining the home buying process in as little as 4 steps and as much as 10 steps. A lot of people have attended these webinars, and what I want you to think about and ask yourself, were the steps explained to you in depth? Did you still have questions after the home buying webinar? Financing your home is a part of the home buying process, but was it explained in a manner that a potential buyer will know exactly what is needed to be approved? 98% of the time, no. Was there a mortgage loan originator present to answer your questions about financing? Most of the time, no. A realtor or real estate agent cannot explain in details the underwriting process, the programs and products that's offered, and the documents needed for each program or product to determine their eligibility. I have partnered with many MLOs over my real estate career, and I'm still sending clients to those that presented themselves well. I have received good reviews from my clients, and also there are those that I stopped working with. But what I can say is that I never came across not one MLO that actually offered a presentation of what is actually the considering factors in the underwriting process. Are there any considering factors? What is the underwriter is looking for when approving someone for a loan product? Now, to back up a little more, in 2019, I have taken the pre-licensing course to become an MLO, but I did not schedule to take the licensing exam until May of this year, 2022. After a company reached out to me, stating that I can expand my real estate business by being MLO, which I already knew that. But needless to say, I failed the exam by one lousy point, and I was so upset. But I knew, I was just like, that should not have happened because I know my stuff. So I had to look at it another way. I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason. First, with certain loan products, such as FHA and jumbo loans, if I have a potential client that are approved for those loans, I will not be able to get paid for it. For by me being an MLO and real estate agent broker, I can't get paid on both sides for those two loan products. So that meant I would have done a lot of work to get my client to the underwriting process, and I don't get paid. And I also could be accused of steering clients to other loan products if my client doesn't choose a FHA loan or a jumbo loan and they were qualified for. Then I also get paid much more money as being a real estate agent broker than an MLO, and I will be taking time away from my real estate business trying to promote my MLO services. So I was considering all of these before I scheduled to retake my test. But then the boards was making it harder for me to reschedule because I got married in May and my name changed. So I was like, everything happens for a reason. So my previous home buying webinar were completely free, but now I decided to charge a fee, and it is quite expensive. But these are some of the topics that I will be discussing. Of course, I will be discussing the home buying process in 10 steps, the 4 key factors that are considered when determining your eligibility for a loan, documents needed to verify different income types, and also the qualification criteria, the criteria needed for some of the loan products and programs that are out there. This webinar will get you in a better position to purchase a home because you will know exactly what you need to qualify. So the fee for my home buying and financing webinar is quite expensive. It is $28, and they are held online twice a month on Tuesdays from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So this webinar is for current Maryland residents looking to purchase your first home in Maryland because if you already purchased a home, you already know the process, so there's no need to attend this webinar. So click the link provided to learn more about the registration process. I am Coretta Smith with Montague-Smith Realty, and I'm gonna leave with this quote. A buyer who knows what to expect is a confident buyer. And a confident buyer is much easier to work with than any anxious or uncertain buyer who will mention objections and at crucial parts in the home buying process. Talk to y'all later. Bye.